Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, be the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFacation once you've done that. By the way, currently in my slime shop, I'm having a 15% off sale in all of my slimes. So make sure to check out my slime shop. It will be linked down below in the description box. In today's video, I'll be doing like a DIY Christmas / New Year's holiday slime. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the slime that we're going to be making is going to be like a DIY clay slime. So off camera, I made this like little DIY clay piece. It's like a tree that's like decorated with like some ornaments. It's really cute. And we're going to put this on top of like a really nice slime. So right over here we have some crystal clear slime. It has just a few bubbles in it because I put it like in a separate container. But yeah, this is super clear. This is going to be like the base for our little Christmas tree. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dye the clear slime red. So right here we have some red food coloring. Okay guys, so the coloring is definitely like melting the slime a bit. I love mixing coloring into slime, it's so satisfying. So right here we have our red. I think it looks really nice. Maybe to give our slime a little bit more like spice, I'm gonna add in some glitters into it. So right over here I have some gold and red glitters. I'm just gonna add those in. I want more gold than the red, so I'm going to put kind of a lot. Guys, this looks so pretty. Okay guys, I don't want to get the slime too cloudy, so now let's put it back in the container, and then let's pop on our clay piece. So I put the red slime in. It looks so nice. It looks so nice and sparkly, so pretty. Then right over here we have our little clay piece. I'm going to plop it on. Guys, that looks really good. I feel like it's missing something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on a bunch of like glitters. So right here I have some green. Put it on the tree. You know what, I'm going to take this off. Oh wait, I can't take it off because it's kind of stuck. Let's put it only on the tree to make it nice and sparkly. Whoa, that already makes it look 10 times better. So right over here I have this little tiny like Santa charm. I'm going to place it like on top of the clay right here. And then for the finale, I'm going to put some more like red glitter on the actual like slime. Oh guys, I just realized we're actually not done because I have an even better idea as well. We're going to put some stars on top. Now for the actual finale, I'm going to put some gold stars all over the slime. So like right here. Oh, they're getting stuck to my fingers. Come on, stars, get on the slime. And boom, our slime is complete. Honestly, you guys, This looks so pretty. Like, it just really gives me, like, holiday vibes. It looks so nice, like, from the side, from the top, just from every angle, it looks really nice. Also, I love how sparkly it is. Like, it's really, like, festive, and it's just really sparkly. And I love the stars. They had a really nice touch. So, guys, and now we're gonna have to mix this beauty all together. But this is just really, really pretty to look at. Whoa, you guys, when I move it like that, the light is like shining off and that looks so cool. Okay guys, now let's mix it all together. So guys, mixing it in was really satisfying, but unfortunately once we mixed it all together, we kind of got this like uglyish gray color. I mean, honestly, it's not that bad, because also like I like how you can see those like red glitters in it. Like the color isn't that good, but I think we can easily fix it. Like if you just add in like a few drops of blue food coloring or red food coloring, like it would easily fix the color. This texture is really, really nice. It's like kind of thick, but it's also like still kind of clear based. You can really like see how clear it is. It makes amazing bubble pops, and it is super pokeable and clicky. It is really thick. Guys, where's Santa? Let's try to find Santa. Like, where did Santa go? Did Santa vanish? No, where is Santa? Guys, we need to find him. Guys, I think I found him. Try to make the slime look a bit pretty. This. So yeah, guys, comment below and like rate this DIY. Like rate it out of like 10. Personally, I'd actually rate this like a 9.5 out of 10 because I think it was really, really fun to do. It looks really, really gorgeous. The only thing is that like the end color isn't that nice. Personally, I don't really mind the end color. Like I think it looks not that bad. Just like a lot of people don't like the color gray. But honestly, I think it's not that bad. You guys, the texture is amazing on this. Like I could literally play with this all day. I love crunchy slimes. Like any slime that makes like a really nice bubble. So like when you stretch it like this, like you can stretch it super far and then you can like make these like little bubbles. Then I love that slime automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you guys would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, happy holidays, and stay safe. Also, make sure to check out my slime shop down below in the description box. Once again, my entire slime shop is 15% off. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.